Hello guys, this is Ruben from Digital Scrabble. I found one awesome thing for Christmas. I don't know about you, but my family is waiting for the Christmas, and we are ready, like listening the Christmas songs, and we can see the stores with Christmas stuff and everywhere. So one of the things that we most like at home is the Advent calendar, and my kids, they love that. Every single year we try to buy a different one to them and to enjoy something new and something cool. And then I found Advent calendar from Lego, and I love it. It's cool, and they have many options. So I will bring to you some. You take a look on it. I have all the links for the calendars in the description of the video. If you want to go through and click on it and look for it and see what is best for you. The Lego has the city is like, you know the collection they have with firefighters, police office, that kind of stuff. They have Advent calendar from city collection. It's nice, looks nice. So that's probably the one that I'm buying for the kids this year. They have Star Wars. So if you are Star Wars lovers, your kids like them, like the theme, so you can buy one of this too. They have like characters that are exclusive for Christmas, and that's pretty nice. So they have Guardians of the Galaxy as well, and I'm not a big fan of the Guardians of the Galaxy, but looks nice too. They have Harry Potter, and they have the Avengers. Avengers looks nice too. So it's very cool if you wanted to take a look on that. For the grown-ups, like for me and for you, if you are Friends show, the Friends show fan, they have one of that. And that's pretty cool. So you can like enjoy the days until the Christmas with exclusive characters from Lego every single day, and that's awesome. So again, I will leave the link for you, so you take a look for the one that you like, and let's enjoy the Christmas, guys. That's the best time of the year. I see you in the next video.